Hello everyone, last time I will show you how to solve multi-step equation with a calculator. Now today I'm going to show you how to solve multi-step inequalities with a calculator. Okay, let's take a look at the first example right here. 3x over -4 minus 3 less than or equal to 9. Okay, so what you need to do is to print up the calculator. So this is my TI-84 plus C calculator. Now you hit y equal. Okay, so right here you need to hit math. Okay, because you have the fraction right here, 3x over -4. So hit math. Alright, go to fraction right here. Okay, hit enter. Alright, so you put -3 and 3x over -4. Now minus 3 minus 3. Okay, now you hit next one. You see that less than or equal to 9. Okay, less than or equal to 9. Alright, so you hit second math. Okay, now less than or equal, which is number 6 right here. Okay, hit enter and you put 9 right there. Now before you graph this, you need to hit the window. You need to adjust the window so that the graph show up. Okay, so the best window range should be -20 20. Okay, as minimum, as maximum, scale y minimum -20, y maximum 20, y scale 1. Okay, and then now you hit graph. So you will look at the graph right here. You see that? You see the two blue lines right there, right? The bottom one, don't worry about the bottom one. The top one is your solution. Okay, the top one is your solution. The top one start from, look at this one, you will see it. You're gonna count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Okay, so it starts -16 all the way to the right. Okay, now because you have the less than equal to right here. Okay, so -16 all the way to the right now. Okay, so I need to write solution right here. Now the solution should be like this: negative right here, -16 all the way to the right. You see that? All right, so I put the solution should be like s right here. Okay, greater than or equal to -16. This is my solution. Okay, -16. Now because this is from -16 all the way to the right, so which means s always greater than -16. Okay, greater than -16. Now let's take a look at the second example. All right, the second example, this is the compound inequality with n. Okay, this is n. So you're gonna read this one: -x minus 3 greater than or equal to -5 and less than 2. Okay, so this compound inequality. Now I'm gonna bring up the calculator. All right, so I hit y equal again. Okay, so I clear everything right here. Okay, now I put -3x, -x minus 3. Okay, so -x minus 3. Okay, now greater than or equal to -5. So I hit second math. Okay, because -x minus 3 greater than or equal to -5. So I put number 4. This is greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to. I put -5 right there, -5. Okay, now because this is a compound inequality with n. Okay, so I need to hit second math again. Okay, now I go to logic right here. This logic, and then number 1 n right here. I hit enter. All right, now I hit -x minus -x minus 3 again. Okay, now this is less than or equal to. Okay, so I put second math. Okay, less than, which means number 6. Okay, less than or equal to, which means number 6 right here. Okay, 2. Okay, now I need to adjust the window range. So this is a very good window range. Okay, and then I just hit graph. Now you look at this one. Don't worry about the bottom lines. Okay, so you see that the bottom lines right here, the left side and the right side. Don't worry about this side. The top should be your solution. So your solution start from where? Let me see. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and this is 1 2 2. So from -5 to 2. Okay, negative 5 to 2. So I need to write solution right here. Negative 5, right? S right here, 2 right here. Now, the sign right here, the inequality symbol right here, depend on this one. All right, this is less than equal to, I put less than equal to. Okay, this is less than equal to, I put less than equal to. For example, if you have less than like this, okay, and right here should be less than. Okay, keep that in mind. So it's this inequality symbol right here depends on this guy right here. Okay, okay. So we have we finished number 1, number 2. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Okay, now we hit y equal again. Okay, so I'm gonna clear everything. So I have what? 2x plus 3 less than 9. Okay, so 2x plus 3 less than. Okay, less than, right? So I need to hit second map. Okay, less than, which means number 5 right here. So number 5, I hit number 5 less than 9. Okay, now this is all. Okay, compound inequality with all, right? So I hit second mark again. I need to go to logic right here. Okay, and I hit number 2 right here, or okay, and I hit 3x minus 6. So I press 3x minus 6. Okay, now greater than or equal to. So I hit second mark again. Okay, greater than or equal, which means number 4. Okay, so number 4 right here, greater than or equal 12. Okay, now I adjust the window range. So again, this is my very good window range. I just leave it. But it's not good. You need to adjust this so that your graph show up. Okay, now I hit graph. All right. Now look at the top one. Don't look at the bottom one. So right here, you will see it. Right, the top one, the left side, it goes from negative infinity to negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so basically my solution should be what? Oh, let me see again. It should be 3. Okay, so it should be 3 s right here. Okay, so s always less than 3. If you see that, it's from 3 all the way to the left. Now because you have this guy right here, right, this guy right here, all right, this guy determine the side right here, so s less than 3. Okay, or what? Now this guy right here, I have greater than equal to, so I put greater than equal to. Greater than equal to what? Okay, I count it. This is 4, 5, 6. Okay, greater than equal 6. Okay, so from 6 all the way to the right. So the answer should be greater than s right here, greater than equal to 6. Okay, now, okay, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope you ace the algebra STAAR test. Okay, and if you like the video, or if you enjoyed the video, okay, please subscribe. If you have any comment, please put it down on the comment. Whenever I have time, I'm gonna respond. Yeah. Okay, thank you.